Hello everyone, here is a question for now. Have you ever felt your business casual wardrobe isn't quite suited for the changing seasons? So, in this lecture, we will explore practical ways to adapt your wardrobe for each season, focusing on fabrics, layers, and colors that work best for various weather conditions. By the end, you will know how to maintain a polished look no matter what season it is. After going through this lecture, you will be able to choose season appropriate fabrics and layers that align with business casual standards. Adjust colors and patterns to match seasonal trends while staying professional. Create a versatile business casual wardrobe that adapts seamlessly to each season. Let's start this lecture by understanding how to choose seasonally appropriate fabrics. Selecting the right fabric for each season is key to staying comfortable and professional. Fabrics have different weights and insulation levels, so using seasonally appropriate materials keeps you comfortable while maintaining a polished look. Spring. Lightweight cotton and cotton blends are ideal for spring. Cotton is breathable and its natural fibers keep you cool during mild temperatures. Summer. Linen and lighter cotton blends are perfect for hot weather. Linen is incredibly breathable, but remember that it wrinkles easily, so balance linen items with more structured pieces. Fall. Wool blends and mid-weight cotton work well as temperatures begin to drop. Wool is insulating and durable, making it great for blazers and pants in fall. Winter. Heavy wool, cashmere, and flannel provide warmth without compromising a business casual look. Layering these fabrics keeps you comfortable in colder temperatures. Textile expert Laura Hill explains that choosing season-appropriate fabrics is the foundation of dressing well. She notes that heavier fabrics provide structure and warmth, while lighter fabrics offer breathability and comfort, both of which are essential in business casual attire. Layers help you transition between temperatures and ensure you stay comfortable throughout the day. Here is how to layer effectively for each season. Spring layers. Start with a lightweight button-down or blouse and add a thin cardigan or blazer. This allows you to adjust if the temperature fluctuates. Summer layers. In warmer months, limit layers to a light blazer or an airy cardigan. Choose a breathable, loose-fitting top to help you stay cool. Fall layers. In fall, a heavier cardigan or a wool blend blazer makes a great addition. Scarves are also useful for adding warmth and a bit of style. Winter layers. For winter, layering is essential. Start with a base layer such as a fitted shirt or turtleneck and add a wool sweater or blazer. A coat or a thick scarf over these layers provides added insulation when moving between indoor and outdoor settings. Color and pattern play a subtle yet important role in creating a seasonally appropriate look. Here is how to adapt your color palette with seasons while keeping your look professional. Spring. Fresh, light colors like pastels, soft blues, and greens reflect the renewal of spring and add a touch of brightness. Summer. Stick to light, neutral colors like beige, light grey, and soft whites. These colors help reflect sunlight and keep you cooler. Fall. Earthy tones like olive green, rust, and warm browns create a cozy, professional look in line with autumnal colors. Winter. Darker colors like navy, charcoal, and deep burgundy add warmth and depth, fitting well with the season's colder vibe. Fashion consultant Kate Lyons explains that colors can set the tone for each season, adding that muted versions of seasonal colors work best for business casual. For instance, choose a soft sage instead of bright green or deep burgundy instead of bright red to create a professional appearance. The right shoes can make a huge difference in your comfort, especially as the seasons change. Here is what to consider for each season. Spring. Loafers and closed-toe flats work well in spring, providing lightness and flexibility. Summer. Light-colored loafers, flats, and professional sandals, if allowed, keep you cool while looking polished. Fall. Consider ankle boots or loafers in darker colors that match fall's earthy tones. Leather is a great choice for durability. Winter. Insulated dress boots and thicker socks provide warmth and comfort in winter. Dark leather boots can look professional and withstand colder, wetter conditions. Accessories like scarves, bags, and hats can add seasonal touch without overpowering the outfit. Keep them subtle and functional to align with business casual. Spring and summer. Choose lightweight scarves or small crossbody bag for a light, airy look. Fall and winter. Switch to heavier scarves and leather gloves to stay warm. A stylish tote bag or a structured bag completes the look in colder months. Imagine your wardrobe as a garden that changes with each season. Just like flowers bloom in spring and the trees turn gold in fall, your wardrobe shifts to reflect seasonal changes. Just as a gardener plants flowers that thrive in each season, you can choose clothing and colors that help you thrive in each season's environment. Choose one of your business casual outfits and modify it for different seasons by adjusting fabrics, layers, and accessories. Note the changes you make and how they improve comfort and appearance. Alright, tell us, what's one change you have made to your business casual wardrobe for a specific season? Have you found any particular colors, fabrics, or layers especially useful? Do share your ideas in the comment section. In conclusion, dressing comfortably for each season keeps you professional and allows you to make the most of your wardrobe throughout the year. Let's have a recap of the final lecture. For context, we explored how to make seasonal adjustments to your business casual wardrobe, choosing fabrics and layers, adapting colors, and selecting season appropriate footwear and accessories. That was all about this course in business casual. We hope this course will bring more elegance to your business casuals and dressing. Keep learning new things with Eduta. See you in the next course.